Logitech Capture. What's the software? Is it worth using? Well, stick around and find out. Hi, I'm Dave, Tech Experts, and I help entrepreneurs to close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. Today, I'm talking about a software you can use to record your video or use to send your video through your streaming service. It's called Logitech Capture. I'm going to go over camera settings. Now, before I get into all that, I want to welcome you to my channel. I am Dave of Tech Experts, and I help you with your tech needs, your tech challenges, your tips and tricks. Now, I want you to subscribe to my channel as we are always putting out new and amazing content for you. So hit that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. I love that likes because it helps me share more content with more viewers on YouTube. Hit the little notification bell as it lets you know whenever I put out new content. Let's jump into the software. Camera settings. This is one of the places where this software really shines. So if I click the little camera symbol, you see that it tells me on the top I'm in full HD for my resolution. There's also the frame rates, the video encoder, where it records to, and advanced settings, and that gives me things like a grid, a countdown timer, and if I want to take a higher quality snapshot of my recording, I can click the little camera and it'll take a better quality picture. But the thing that makes it special is here under the resolution, this is a drop down. So when I click this drop down, I see three basically resolution sets I can choose from. The first one is landscape. That's the horizontal one we see for widescreen sort of style of YouTube and Facebook. Portrait is vertical, that's mobile recordings, so anytime you have a vertical recording, it's going to be portrait. And square is something you might see from an Instagram post or in a LinkedIn post, sometimes use square recordings. So you can record in any of these formats, whatever size you choose. It will adjust your screen and your resolution for that. And it lets you change this on the fly. Now, here's the big thing. I've been struggling for a long time figuring out how to record vertically and use my PC. Usually I would record vertically on my phone and then have to bring it in, but I couldn't do any of the other features. So I couldn't put another picture in with me when I'm talking about it while recording vertically because it just wasn't a choice. So if I want to, I can choose portrait. I'm going to choose the 1080 by 1920 format. This is what you normally see a lot of times when you are recording vertically on a PC. You get the black bars on the top and the bottom because it thinks your webcam is always wide. And it's hard to get past that. The easiest way to get around that would be to change your screen resolution on your monitor and tip your monitor to be vertical and then set the resolution to be vertical, and that will help get around this, but it won't always make it totally perfect. But when you use the combination of this software, the Logitech Capture software, with Logitech's StreamCam, the StreamCam has a unique feature in the fact that it's designed for creators and designed to allow you to record vertically. So it lets you do it on the fly too. So if I want, I can lean in here, grab my cam, pop it in the stand, snap it back in, and now I'm full screen vertical. No black bars. I can even overlay another picture in here and put it on the top, stretch it out to as big as it'll let me go. There we go. And I could have another picture in here. Now I could tip my camera down so the big gap would be on the bottom and put this video on the bottom if I wanted to, or I can just turn it off and let myself be here. But the big thing here is you can record a perfect looking vertical video for your TikToks, your Instagram Reels, or your YouTube Shorts. You don't have to edit it and have it come out and be zoomed in. You can have that nice, clear, crisp looking picture just by turning the camera and setting this in here to be vertical. And when you turn it back, it'll know that I'm changing from vertical now to horizontal, and the software will automatically set me back. That's what makes this special. The ability to record video either direction and even change it on the fly, and even overlay another picture with it or another source with it while you're doing that. This is what I think makes this software special. It made it really easy and great for creating new content. That's it. That's why I think the Logitech Capture software is great, and the fact that the price is free makes it even better for me. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me the big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends and family. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button for me. I always ask you to subscribe because I want to keep you in the know. I have more how-to guides, more tech tips, more reviews, and more things I want you to be in the know about, like why to use a great software when you're doing your video recording. If you haven't done so yet, please check out my show's description down below. I'll make sure I link up this Logitech StreamCam, the Fifine K670 microphone, my Shure MB7 microphone is another option. I'll also link up the software in there as well. The 3 products will be affiliate links. Those affiliate links do pay me a small commission. That commission continues to help me make amazing and new content like this. Now, I want to know, what do you use to record or capture your video? Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.